This video displays the cooling process of a refrigerator. Whenever we place any of the item in the refrigerator, whether it is an eatable item or it is a liquid, its temperature decreases after some time. Why is it so? What is the reason behind it? Let's understand this procedure, that is the working of the refrigerator. Suppose the items in the refrigerator are at the temperature T1 and the surrounding is at the temperature T2. Here we have to remember one thing, that T2 should be greater than T1, and this is the refrigerator. Refrigerator is also known as the heat pump. Suppose the refrigerator take Q1 amount of heat from the items in refrigerator and W amount of the work done is done by the surrounding. Then it rejects Q2 amount of heat to the surrounding. Here Q2 is equals to work done plus Q1. We are repeating again. Q1 is the amount of heat taken from the items, Q2 is the amount of heat rejected to the surrounding, and W is the amount of work done by surrounding in taking out Q1 amount of heat from items and rejected it to surrounding. To find out the amount of work done by surrounding, we have to remember that Q1 upon Q2 is equals to T1 upon T2. Now putting the value of Q2, which is equals to Q1 plus W, we get W, work done, is equals to Q1 into T2 upon T1 minus 1. This is the amount of the work done by surrounding in transferring Q1 amount of heat from the items in the refrigerator. Hence, we understand the process of the refrigerator. Thank you.